Konnichiwa. Welcome to Vito's Japanese Adventure. So now we're going to the Sakura Festival, which seems, Sake Festival actually, yeah. And it seems to be like big, one of the biggest. Is it true?
Let's go.
こんにちは。
こんにちは、中目黒の和酒フェスに来ました。
We're
今から
ready.
ついてもらいます。
With this single little glass, we're gonna try everything in it. Just with this little friend there.
頑張れんのかな。
頑張って、
頑張って。
頑張って頑張って
頑張って。私大吟醸。写真撮って。オッケー。私が大吟醸。乾杯。
乾杯。完璧。Why not?
You try this one. Oyster.
Oyster.
Steam oyster.
What do you call this in Japanese?
Kaki.
Kaki. 頑張って。
何頑張る
社長、今お出しでしょうか。今日のラインナップを教えてください。お願いいたします。
How's this?
今日はですね、
Did it match? The sake?
美味しい。
美味しい Did it match?
Absolutely, yeah. It's perfect.
Perfect.
Sake and oyster.
Good?
Yeah, I recommend this. Absolutely, you have to try it. You should actually pour some sake into the oyster.
Good?
美味しい、美味しい。
じゃあ next.
Ready, the most expensive sake on the festival. Now we're gonna see if it's worth or not.
Try.
So 10,000. I think they're this too.
私こっちで、彼がこっちでお願いします。
ありがとうございます。Bring one.
私は普通の日本酒を私は一ノ蔵の日本酒。
はい、ありがとうございます。
They have this paper.
Was full of flavor, very different flavors. And this time I know what was my favorite one.
Which
Just
one?
I don't remember the name,
なんでだよ。
but I know where the position. I know where it is. It's right nearby.
ザクザクザクザク。
Zaku, that's my favorite.
Okay.
No doubt about it this time. And this is it for today. See you in the next adventure.
See you soon.
See you soon. またね。
また